Hello guys, in this tutorial we will tell you how to provide the Apple developer account details. Read the information carefully and then provide your Apple Play developer account details. Now enter your username and password in the respective fields. You don't need to worry about your credentials as they are completely secure. Check the iTunes guidelines to make sure that your content aligned with them. Enable the checkbox to accept the agreement. By checking this box, you allow Pi submission team appsubmitter@gmail.com to use your developer account information for submitting your app to Apple Store as per terms and conditions and privacy policy. Finally, click on the submit button to submit your contact info to the submission team. The submission team will get back to you once they will review your details. You can also drop them an email for any updates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.